Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Revised K-12 Curriculum. Science, Grade 3, Quarter 2, Lesson 1, Day 1. Our topic for today is about science in our daily life. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies. The learners use the skills of observing, predicting, and measuring in performing simple guided science activities. Learning objectives. To describe various objects like leaves in the environment using shape, color, and texture. Solve a jigsaw puzzle featuring an illustration of observation. And this is what it looks like. What does the puzzle show? Answer: the puzzle shows a boy holding a hand lens to observe a dragonfly. What do you notice the boy is doing? Answer: the boy is looking at the dragonfly. Why do you think he is using a hand lens? Answer: he is using the hand lens to observe the small dragonfly thoroughly. What do you remember about observing? I remember that when we observe, we blank. Example answer: I remember that when we observe, we use our senses to describe things. Have you seen this on your way to school from your house? Do you know what this thing is? In today's lesson, you will describe familiar things in your surroundings, especially plants. We can understand the meaning of new words by looking at the other words in the sentence. These are called context clues. Let us read some sentences together and use context clues to figure out the meaning of some words. Number 1. Rosario carefully studied her surroundings before crossing the road. Underlined word, surroundings. Number 2. Mang Pio waters the plants in the school garden regularly. He does it to ensure that the plants receive enough water for them to grow healthy. Underlined word, plants. Number 3. Kai, the main character in the story, made a spear, which he used to catch fish. The spear could easily pierce fish because it was sharp and pointed. What words help us understand what surroundings means? Answer: the words carefully studied and before crossing the road help us understand that Rosario is looking around at the things near her. What do you think surroundings means based on the sentence? Answer: based on the sentence, surroundings means the area or things around a person, like the road, cars, or people nearby. What parts of your body do you use to describe objects or things around you? Today, we will use some of these senses to describe objects in nature. In this activity, you will act as leaf detectives to observe leaves carefully and describe them using their shape, color, and texture. Activity number 1, Leaf Detectives, investigating the shape, color, and texture of leaves. Copy the table below in your notebook. Use it to record your observations on the shape and color of the given leaves. First column, leaf. Second column, shape. Third column, color. Fourth column, texture. Number 1, look closely at leaf 1. Question 1, what is the shape of leaf 1? Question 2, what is the color of leaf 1? Question 3, how does leaf 1 feel when you touch it? Is it smooth or rough? Number 2, look closely at leaf 2. Question 4, what is the shape of leaf 2? Question 5, what is the color of leaf 2? Question 6, how does leaf 2 feel when you touch it? Is it smooth or rough? Through the sense of sight, you can see the different shapes of the leaves. They can be heart-shaped, spear-shaped, oval-shaped, needle-shaped, hand-shaped, and triangular. Through the sense of sight, you can see the different colors of the leaves. With your sense of touch, you can feel the texture of the leaves, whether smooth or rough. What are the things in the surroundings? Can you describe the color, shape, and texture of those things? In observing something, I have learned that we can use blank. In observing something, I have learned that we can use our senses. I have observed that leaves have different blank and blank. I have observed that leaves have different width and length. Write your answers on a sheet of paper. Part 1, multiple choice. Write the letter of the correct answer. Use capital letters only. For items 1 to 3, look at the illustrations below. Leaf A, leaf B, and leaf C. Number 1. Which of the following best describes leaf A? A. It is round. B. It is heart-shaped. C. It is long and thin. Answer B. It is heart-shaped. Number 2. Which leaf is long, narrow, and pointed? A. Leaf A, B. Leaf B, or C. Leaf C? Answer C. Leaf C. Number 3. Which leaf looks like the one circled in the drawing? A. Leaf A, B. Leaf B, or C. Leaf C? Answer Leaf B. Part 2. Refer to the plant presented by your teacher. Write your answers to the following questions briefly. Number 4. What is the color of the leaf? Number 5. Is the leaf smooth or rough? Describe other parts of a plant such as the flower and stem.
And that wraps up today's lesson. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in.